Hey everyone, it's me, Midnight here, and today I'm gonna play some Animal Jam. I'm gonna do Wolf, obviously, but I kinda wanna do Panda. I'm doing Wolf. Lucky, Rocky, Star. Let's go!
Welcome to your new home. My name is Peck, and I'd like to show you around.
Where am I?
Follow me. Here in Jama, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours.
Dang, how do you
Go
get
ahead and
those?
click on your animal picture to customize your look. You can choose and combine lots of different colors.
So let me just do this. So yeah, this is the okay.
You can change the shape and color of your eyes.
I don't remember what eye color Midnight had, so I'm just gonna use these.
And you can create lots of different patterns in your fur.
I'm doing black.
When you are happy with your new look, click on the X button in the corner to exit.
I'm doing spots.
Everyone seems to love the new you. How do you feel about it? To show others how you're feeling, click the emote button and then choose. I know just what you mean. Hey look! Free stuff!
Whoa!
Look at all those gems! How many did you find? Lucky you! You'll find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jama, along with lots of places to spend them. There are games, adventure, more. I think you're ready to explore on your own.
Am I?
This way, to Jama!
Bye, guys! Wow! I'm here! I'm actually here! Whoa! Where should I begin? Oh, let's go over here and see. Hmm. There you go. Midnight here. Whee! I love this new style of me. Oh look, Jim. Hi, Peck. Whoa. You know, for creating an account. I'm gonna do that off screen because I don't want you to look up me because that would be weird. Not safe. Oh, it's over here. Well, maybe I should just, oops. Ah. Okay, never mind. Oh, I can slide down here. Whee! Yo, what's wrong? Nah. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I can't wait to see what's inside here. Whoa. Subscribe to my friend. Okay, anyways. Oh, wait, that's not kind of mean. So yeah, something happened. But don't worry, I feel bad. But don't really need to tell you. Oh, wee! Where am I going over here? Ooh, let's see what's over there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ow. I fell. Probably make a playlist for him if that's okay. If you're watching this, is that okay? Ow. Okay, it's not enough. Looks like I have no other choice but to. Well, I guess that's it. Hope you enjoyed the first episode, and I hope you subscribe and have fun. Bye bye.